kids, how are you? Let's draw a beautiful fish tank easy step by step. Kids, do you have fish pot at home? Drawing a cute fish swimming in bowl. Wow, looking so cute! Drawing another fish friend, wow! Both are looking so beautiful. Let's make outline more visible. Let's paint together this beautiful fish aquarium. Yellow color, red color, blue color, green color. Kids, did you like these fishes? Let's make fish bowl beautiful with yellow color. Kids, I hope you are enjoying this easy drawing tutorial. Like my video and subscribe my channel. I will come with more interesting drawings. Done. Okay kids, see you again in next video. Bye bye.